I'm gonna say it! Give
Alright,
me a minute!
fuck! Ah!
Give me a minute!
Okay!
Hello everybody. Welcome to episode 3 of Kirby's Dream Land 3. I am the mole.
And I am the raccoon.
Welcome to Trash Cave.
Welcome to Kirby's Dream.
And you need to sit your ass down
fuck.
and listen to me.
Alright. I'm
Are you
sitting.
listening?
We're playing fucking Kirby's
We're playing Kirby
Okay.
and you
We're playing
need to shush.
Kirby's Dream Land 3. Oh, do you want to say it?
I want to say it.
Okay, fuck.
We're playing Kirby's Dream Land 3. Do you understand? Say yes!
Yes, I'm
Say
sorry. I
it.
thought you were asking the viewers.
Shut up!
Anyways, level 2.
Shut up! Now, when we last left off, we're up to this random ass freaking eel level. Say something!
Okay, yes, we're on the evil.
Which one do you
Give me the good old sucker. However I do this. Whoops!
No, you press the X button! Good!
So it would seem.
Now let's continue and put him in the water.
The poor fucking gerbil. Oh yeah, you're right. I won't get mad at you, bro. It's all good.
Oh! I'm gonna hurt somebody very bad.
Please don't hurt me.
Not you. Oh, we have to watch the eel.
Okay. This one.
Yes!
We're fucking pros.
We are freaking genius.
We may suck at Mega Man X, but we are the gaming gods of Kirby's Dream Land 3. God, this is so difficult to control, but I'm having the most loveliest.
Oh my!
My fucking! You messed it up.
What happened?
You fucked it up. Everything's gone.
I fucked it all up. I don't even have the fish anymore. We have to swim through this manually, which sucks.
Oh my god.
There's no quick
This
way
is
to do
so
this.
tedious. Fried okra.
Yep.
I love fried okra. I need some.
You've never had fried okra.
I need it.
Alright, what is it then?
It's a vegetable fried.
Maybe?
I have just solved world hunger. Hunger?
Okra.
Hungry shark? Okra! World okra. We've solved it.
Nice.
I can't start the next level.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Give me a
fine.
minute!
Okay! Fake doors?
What? I lost my fire ability. Give me those. Thanks.
What?
Give that back right now. Perfect.
Oh, fuck. Can you just get the fucking... Oh my... Ah!
I'm getting there, man.
You're killing me.
What do you mean I'm killing you?
You're killing me. I'm dying, man. It's all thanks to you. And your slow-ass fish.
No! Ah! This is officially the worst Kirby ever.
This is a fish. Ali.
What? Oh, you
Whoops! I'm just chilling.
Listen! What the hell was that thing?
Oh, we
Grandma's giant freaking Kirby.
correct? We picked wrong. Oh.
Nah, I'm hungry, bro. Come on.
Alright, yeah, you fair.
So we were meant to get the baby frog for its mom, but we didn't. So we failed.
Too bad. So sad. L mother.
Let's freaking
Yes.
go!
Trash Crypt will be the Halloween version of Trash Cave. For a whole month, we will be playing exclusively horror games. They can be, you know, the best horror games in the world. They can even just be ones made by, you know, just a normal creator. Who knows? But we're going to be doing it. And you guys will get footage of us, full 20-minute episodes of us being scared out of our fucking gourds. So prepare for that. That's happening in October.
By the way, I don't want to reveal who the first guest on Guest Cave will be. However, it will not be Insorio. Look,
we wish.
He can get as mad as he wants. TTV/Insorio can get as mad as he likes about, oh, please guys, let me on, come on. No, he's not first in line.
I know, right?
He's only second, and that's if we don't get anyone else asking first.
Man, I really wish that we could get him on a schedule. God, he's such a busy man.
Yeah, I know, so busy.
Anyways.
Maybe we'll edit out the trash talking TTV.
Nah, keep it all. He needs to know his place.
No, actually, I want to keep in the stuff about the guest cave.
Yeah, keep that all in.
That would be fun.
Yeah, we wish we were popular enough to get TTV and sorry, yeah. But he's a busy man. He's a busy man with a busy schedule. Just kind of works out that way, I guess.
Yeah, so busy. Okay, I have to go around the outside. What did Eminem say?
Ram me outside?
Yeah,
I don't know. I don't know
his
his
go
words.
around the outside.
God damn. What can we do to make this episode better? Yell?
Scream.
Yeah. Let's fucking yell. Let's get angry. I just got struck by a motherfucking goddamn spike boy, and I'm pissed about it.
There's not much to get mad about.
There isn't. What do you fucking get mad about with Kirby? Motherfucker says Poyo. You hear how fucking adorable that is? You tell me, you personally would get mad at a motherfucker just like, Poyo! Nah.
Nope.
Not on this channel.
No chance. No, look, they're mad. About what? About what? There's nothing for you to be mad about.
Oh my god.
Let's go!
Sheesh. Fuck yes, I'm the gaming god.
You are simply the best.
Bam.
What the fuck is that guy?
A
Look at
star,
him.
I guess? I don't know, he looks
He's not a
derpy as
star.
fuck.
Yeah, look, he's a little smile.
He's a little derp boy, little derp boy. Look
Looks
at
like
him.
an idiot.
He is an idiot.
Yeah. What a
We're
fool.
all idiots.
Okay. Wait. Crouch.
Hold on. We'll get down the hill.
Crouch.
Oh,
Again?
no.
Again with it?
Can we
Look,
lock this fucker up?
Everyone...
Look at the bird. Even he's not happy about this.
Yeah, the bird's mad. The
I don't know how to
hamster-
personally feel about this.
The hamster's accepted it. Kirby is the same as ever. And Gooey is...
Gooey's being fucked by a cat. I'm pretty sure that's the face I'd have.
suspiciously more gooey than usual. My name is Walter Hardwell. Okay, which way? Top or bottom? If you get it wrong, I'll kill you. We can go both!
Well, I got it right though.
Well, now we can't go both.
I got it correct.
Alright. Which? So,
Oh, I didn't mean that.
you go that one. Oh, I'll go this one. Oh man, that's fucked up. So did we get it right or did we get it wrong?
I think we got it correct.
Who knows?
Maybe. Alright, you know, it doesn't matter.
Go this one. Oh!
Which door? Door number tres, which was 5 in Spanish. I speak Hispanol.
Look, there he is!
Oh, we did it. Did we?
found it.
Do you need something, good sir? Do you need to be licked?
Lick him again.
I know exactly what he needs.
What's that?
Fried okra. Put it on the screen. Right there. There's the fucking fried okra, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, you've been waiting for it. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
We all wanted it. I wanted fried okra. I still want fried okra. I want nothing but fried okra.
Oh, more nuts! Okay, watch out for the nuts. The nuts!
Fucking nut. Oh god.
Oh. Oh! What the fuck? Get up there, boy!
Just speedrun.
Yeah, speedrun. Okay, I'm ready.
There we go. Fucking. Go for the nuts.
The nuts! Run! Oh my god!
Holy shit, that was a block off from your face.
Speaking of fucking blocks,
Stay mad, bro.
stay mad.
Stay mad. Aw, you done messed it up.
Okay, do it then. I'll take it.
I'm better. I am better. Holy shit. Alright, on the next episode of Trash
God.
Cave, we're gonna defeat Okra.
The fucking... Look at this piece of shit here.
Don't even know what it is. Alright, it's fine.
It's like a dolphin or shark or something. Or maybe whale. Killer whale. It's a killer whale.
It's a killer. We got it. We'll
Look,
defeat it.
We got it. We're done. Alright, we're done. That's it. Enough Trash Cave. Thank you everyone for watching.
Thank you, everyone. Trash on.